you something. It's one of the best times of the year. It has the music, it has the vibe, and if you don't have the look, you're in trouble. Putting together your summer outfits can be easy breezy, and with these tips from stylist Christia Franklin, you can add a touch of flair and a splash of personality to your ensemble. Good morning, Christia. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I am awesome. I listened to the summer song a while ago, and I'm
You're
in it.
feeling
Yeah.
it. You're feeling it. Good.
A summer dress.
Yes.
It is a staple. Everyone, once it comes on the summer,
Absolutely.
they say you have to have a summer dress. Why? Why a summer dress?
Because it's so easy and they tend to have a lot of style. With summer, you're always on the go. You always want to be up for quick movements, quick adventures, and a dress is just so easy to throw on and so effortless. I mean, you can put it over a swimsuit and go out. You can easily put it on and go for dinner. It can fit several different occasions and adventures.
It's the be all. That's what the
Yeah.
summer dress is. All right, so we're gonna put our summer dresses on, and this morning you're gonna help us with 5 tips on how we can accessorize the
And
summer
style.
look. And so we're gonna start with the role of the summer hat.
Yes. So a hat is always a nice little pop of flair. I mean, you can have on your dress, but you want to be a little bit different. You want to stand out, and a hat can do just that. So you can do a straw hat, you can do a fedora, you can do a sporty, cute hat with like a snapback. So
Mm-hmm.
you have lots of options for hats to just add a little flair to the dress, add a little flair to your outfit, and just stand out a bit.
And what's good about the summer hat is that it protects you as well from the sun, gives you a little shade.
Yes,
I mean, the
that's
bigger
all
ones.
about the option.
Yeah, the
That
bigger
one is
ones.
a practical.
Yeah, and it's summer hair too. If you go beach and the hair is all wet or the hair is all pulled back, the hat helps. And yes, see there?
It adds style and it also protects you from the sun. So it's not
Mm-hmm.
all just about looking good, ladies. You have to protect our skin.
Absolutely. So that's the summer hat. Don't underestimate it. And summer hats are stylish, they're eye-catching, and they can give a big impact. I'm a hat person. I really, really love hats.
Yeah,
And
it adds to your look. You can wear a very simple dress and then the hat can be the actual statement of your look and then you end up looking different from everybody else.
yeah, yeah. All right, so we move from the hat and we go down to the feet. The summer sandals is the thing. Talk to me about them.
It's another compliment to your outfit as well. So you can have on different kind of sandals. You can have on strappy sandals, gladiators. You can wear even wedges,
Hmm.
which is a more comfortable option for a heel. You can, like in that poster right now, she's wearing some wedges mixed with strappy as well.
Hmm.
So the strappy can add a little height to you as long, and also the wedge can add a little height to you as well. If you don't want any height, be tall already, like myself. You
Mm.
can just wear nice flats. You can wear the thong style. There are different kinds of styles that you can wear, and
Yeah,
that adds to your outfit as well.
yeah. It's a time when people have to make sure the pedicure is up because yes, um,
Especially if you're wearing cute shoes, you're drawing attention to your feet, so
feet.
you have to make
Yes,
sure
yes. See, there we go. Look at this hot number right
those
now.
are really cute.
Hmm. So and then you have the basic flats. So whether you're gonna go peep toe flats, flip flops, open toe, you want to make sure. And that's the
You
great
have
thing about
options
summer. I mean, in Jamaica we have summer maybe all the time,
all of it.
but although
Oh
the rain,
yeah, Ro.
yeah. But for the folks who have different types of weather, this is the time for them to just get the feet out and get everything going. And the great thing about the summertime, again, as I say, it's the flexibility of what you wear, like the dress.
Exactly. We have more options.
Yeah, because you can have the flip flops on with the dress, and then you
Yes.
can you can change them and put on straps with heels, and you're gone to a
Exactly.
different event in the same dress but a different
Your
look.
shoes can change up. Yeah, your shoes can completely change up your look. You can move from casual to more dressy. You can move from
Yeah,
elegant. Like there's options, and your
yeah.
shoes do that.
Something else that can also change your look is your bag. Talk to me about the summer bags.
So I love bags. I have a ton of bags because I really do believe that they can complement your outfit. And just like the shoes, they can switch it up a lot for you.
Yeah.
So a lot of bags are in style now, like these bags that are on the screen. These are completely perfect for someone. They're different shapes, they're different shades of brown. Some of them come in white. And these really just add a whole new pop to your outfit or to your dress or anything. You can actually be wearing a very simple dress, and then your bag is what really carries it over the edge and makes you different from everybody else.
All right, moving from the bags, we go to jewelry options. Please don't wear something that don't agree with salt water. Go to the beach.
Good point. Yes, take note of that. Make sure that whatever you're wearing can withstand the weathers and withstand the beach, because we're in Jamaica, we're jumping straight in. We don't have any time to take off anything. Yeah. We want to go straight into the water.
Yeah.
But once again, it can be a statement, and jewelry can completely add to your outfit and actually make your outfit. If you're wearing a simple piece, a simple outfit, and then you add some jewelry on it, you can really dress it up. Yeah. By layering, as that photo shows, like a layering of necklaces can really pop.
Yeah, and usually in the summertime too, they come up with summer themed, like we're seeing there. They have the shells and all different styles that go with the summer dress. So, it's nice. I like the summer jewelry. Gets a little dramatic.
Yeah, we need that.
Yeah, and fun. All right, and then we get to the sunglasses.
Yes, that's another addition. So I have tons and tons and tons and tons and tons, and I hardly even wear them because I have to wear my tested glasses, but they're definitely an addition to any outfit. I strongly believe in sunglasses, and just they're the colored lens that you have. They're cat eyes, they're smaller frames, they're round frames. There's so many to choose from. You can find a shade that fits your face. And then that can just be an addition to everything.
Yeah, and again, all the glasses you have the ones that you wear at night, the ones that you actually use to protect your eyes.
Protect your eyes.
Because most people buy them because of how they look.
Style, because they've become so trendy and so stylish now. But yes, we do get them for practicality. And as we were saying earlier, for the beach, for Jamaica, the sun is hot. The glare is in your eyes. And this is a statement that actually, once again, has a purpose other than just being cute. And there's so many options to choose from. You can get one to match your accessories. You can get one to match your bag. I really do believe that this completely adds to the outfit in a good way.
And you know what's cool about summer shades? I mean, you can get the very, very expensive ones, but you can also just walk into a pharmacy and get some that look pretty cool.
Ones. Yes, they're so cheap and they're so stylish, and they're just as, well, probably not just as durable, but they serve its purpose. We just need it for the summer. That's all. We just need it to last us 2 months.
I know. When I go into pharmacies, hi, my name is Delia, and I'm a summer glasses.
I just need some shades for 2 months, that's all.
All right, thank you so much, girl, for sharing those tips for us. They were cool, they were useful, and we'll put them in practice. Christia Franklin, stylist and merchandiser, on ways to accessorize your summer dress. Coming up, where to go and what to do after you've put together your eye-catching look. More Smile Jamaica after this quick break.
It's a nice sunny evening, a cool afternoon. Nobody has to work, no, nobody goes to school. Sit down on the corner, joke around and act a fool. The elders playing dominoes, strangers playing.